Hello, this is Thomas from OtterlyAI, and in this video I'm going to show you our API and how everything works. Also make sure to head over to docs.otterly.ai where you can find the full documentation including all the API reference points. If you already have an active OtterlyAI account, you can now head over to your API keys section. In this section on the bottom left side of things, you can either generate a new API key, or you can also see some statistics on like usage statistics of all your existing keys. Let's go ahead and create a new secret key. Let's call this TP demo, and I'm gonna give access to the demo playground file as well as my own workspace. I can choose between read-only. I'm able to retrieve data from brand reports such as recommendations, brand mentions, and whatnot. Or if you choose read and write, I can also execute a content, geo audit, and other things. So depending on what I want to do here, I can select those options. So let's now generate an API key. I've now generated an API key. I'm gonna store that and save that on my side now. And that's really about it. I can now use that API key to consume data from my different brand reports, build my own custom reports, dashboards, or whatnot. But there's one more thing that I want to show you today, which is our Claude skill. Yes, if you are using Claude, you can head over to your Claude settings, and in the settings, you'll find the skills tab. In the skills tab, you can upload a new skill. Simply hit the plus symbol, create skill, and upload a skill. And you can upload here the OtterlyAI skill file. I've already done that, as you can see here. So now the last thing I have to do is I have to add my API key here into my skill. So let me do that by chatting with Claude. Please update the API key to, and now I'm gonna paste in my API key right here. This will now take a few moments, but in the meantime, I'm gonna check in a moment. Now Claude has updated my skill. I can simply save that here, clicking the save button, upload and replace. And that's about it. I can now go ahead and chat with my data. So let's give it a try. So let me see. Let's ask for the latest citations on one of my brand reports. Show me the latest citations on Nike.com and Adidas.com in my Adidas brand report, demo playground workspace. Let's do that. And here we go. It is populating the data in the US, top Nike.com and Adidas citations. And as we can see here, the domains, the URLs, and the citation count. Also for Germany, another country I've been tracking this in. So yeah, really cool stuff. I can now build some further really creative reports and whatnot, but I'm gonna pause here. Let me know what you've been building with the OtterlyAI API and the new Cloud skill. Curious to hear more from you. With that said, have fun building, have a great day. Speak soon, bye bye.